Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. Let's get started lying down on our bellies. And you can place your right cheek on the backs of your palms. Feel free to close your eyes as you take some deep breaths. Reach behind you with your left arm, taking some circles with your left wrist. Kick your left foot a little bit closer towards your glute so that you can grab onto your left foot or your toes or your ankle or your leg, feeling a stretch in the front of your left thigh. Release your left leg, making your way into a half frog, working your left knee up towards the top of your yoga mat. And you can continue to rest your right cheek on the backs of your palms. If you want to go a little bit deeper, you can start to extend that left leg out to the side, maybe grabbing onto the leg or the toes here. Let's make our way over to the other side. So now you're going to rest your left cheek on the backs of your palms, relaxing your legs, taking some deep breaths. Reach behind you with your right arm, taking some circles with your right wrist. And now you reach for that right foot or the ankle or the toes or the leg. And we make our way into that half frog with our right leg. So working that right knee up towards the top of your mat. And if you want to go a little bit deeper here, you can start to extend that right leg, maybe grabbing onto the leg or the toes. Let's make our way into a Sphinx pose now. Relaxing the legs behind you, opening them a bit, and then pressing into the forearms, lifting the chest. Drop your head back, and now we drop our head forward. Again, bring the head back. And drop your head forward. One more time, let's bring our head back. And forward. Bring your left ear to your left shoulder. And right ear to right shoulder. Left ear to left shoulder again. And right ear to right shoulder. Bring your head back to center as you slowly press into the palms, straightening the arms here. If you want to go a little bit deeper, you can start to walk your hands closer towards your hips, lifting your upper body a little bit more. Maybe you drop the head back, maybe you straighten the arms, and we lower back down onto our bellies. Let's press into a child's pose, bringing the big toes together, sitting your hips back onto the heels. Walk your hands over towards the right side of your yoga mat, maybe placing that left hand on top of the right. And now we switch sides. Bring your arms back to center. And we slowly shift forward into a puppy dog pose, lowering the chest but lifting the hips. And we slowly make our way into a tabletop position. Coming onto our hands and knees, we extend our right arm up towards the ceiling. Thread the needle by sending your right arm behind the left wrist. Continuing to pull your right hip back so that your hips are in line. And we come back into our tabletop position as we extend our left arm up towards the ceiling and we thread the needle. Let's come back to tabletop. We take a really big body circle to the right, however that looks for you. And now we go to the left. Have a seat on your glutes, bringing the legs straight out in front of you. Slide your hands forward, coming into a forward fold. We rise back up, making our way onto our backs, hugging the knees into the chest, rocking gently from side to side. Drop both legs over to the left side of the room, coming into your stacked supine twist, opening the arms wide. Make your way to the other side. Let's come back to center for our final pose. Open your feet wide as you knock your knees together, placing your palms on your belly. Take a big breath in through the nose. Let it out through your mouth. One more time, you take a deep breath in through the nose and sigh it out. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you really enjoyed class. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more classes. I'll see you in the next one.